Okay guys, for this airdrop you need a Mrs. browser on your mobile phone, alright, and you need to have imported your Metamask on your Mrs. browser. I have a video on how to do that in the description below, so do well to watch it. Once you click on the link, on the registration link, you see something like this when you scroll down. Alright, so just click on the arrow there and then enter your email address. As you can see, the prompt that came up, enter your email address and click on submit. Then you click on connect wallet. Don't use Chrome browser. If you use Chrome browser, you won't be able to connect your MetaMask wallet easily. All right, so use Mrs. browser, then import your MetaMask wallet on it, so you are going to easily connect your MetaMask on the browser. Okay, so just go ahead, enter your password and connect. So just click on confirm for it to connect to your MetaMask wallet. Approve the transaction. So, and don't forget, for this project you need at least about $0.5 to $1 worth of BNB for the transaction fees. So ensure you have that in your wallet, in your MetaMask wallet. So now this is the first transaction, and it costs about $0.17. So approve it. So it's going to load. Just be patient for it to load. You can see success. So that's it. That's the first transaction that you're going to do. And then if you need to refer somebody, you need an invitation code. All right, so you can just enter a 10-digit code. You can just put any number at all, 10-digit number, which will serve as your own code. Then you can, the invitation section up here will be active for you to copy your link and your code, and you can share with your friends. When they register, you get some bonuses also. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'll just enter my 9-digit code now. I mean my 10-digit code rather. After doing that, I'll click on submit. And of course, it's going to pop up another transaction which will require a fee again. Then I'll confirm. And that's for it to generate uh, my code for me, which will be in my referral link. Yeah, you can see code has been activated successfully, and you can see that the invite section up there is active. You can see, so I can copy the link and share with my friends. So that's how to go about it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. You can just go ahead and copy your link and share with people. All right, and that's it. The more they register, the more bonuses you have. You can also scroll down to read more about the project, check other details about the project also. All right, and I think that's all about this guide on how to get positioned for this airdrop. If you are watching this for the first time, if you are on this channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button and join this wonderful family. And if you are already a member of this channel, thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always watching our guides, videos and tutorials. Thank you. We love you. We love you so much. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and also share your referral links with them also. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. My next video, I'm going to be revealing a whole lot for you, so don't forget to subscribe. All right.